Let's make chicken parmesan. First, cut your chicken into thin strips. Next, throw in an egg wash, flour, and breadcrumbs. Fry on each side for about 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a baking tray. Coat it with sauce and add mozzarella or Parmesan cheese. Put in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. Then pour in your noodles. After that, take your chicken out of the oven. Strain the noodles and pour in the sauce. Mix well so the noodles are coated evenly. Put in your garlic bread and then take it out. After that, your meal is done.